Hello everyone, welcome live, and today we are going to have Nitin Mirani with us, and I'm just waiting for Nitin to join us, and Nitin should be here very soon, and we're going to have some nice laugh chat with Nitin Mirani all about his stand-up and all the comedy videos that he puts on YouTube. Hello Tanmay. Hi Tejas Patel, I'm good, how are you? SSA to you. What is SSA, Lakveer? Gaurav, my quarantine is going really great, and it's all the more great thanks to all the love that I get from all of y'all. And Varsha, it's so nice to see you too. Thank you for joining us live. I'm just waiting for Nitin to join us very soon. और वो जब इतना टाइम लगा रहा है मुझे डर लग रहा है because he always comes up with some prank when he takes so long. So I don't know what is he up to. Why is it taking him so long? Hello Roshni. Hi Nitesh. What did I have for lunch? Well, I had a lot. So I don't know where to start because while quarantine, all we are doing is just eating and eating. There is no timing at all. Oh, SSA means Sat Sri Akal. Sat Sri Akal to you too. Hi Gopesh. Hi Kailash. एंड यार मेरा दोस्त नितिन रह कहाँ गया है? अभी तक तो उसे आ जाना चाहिए था. 4 मिनट लेट है. वो हमेशा लेट होता है. आई नीड टू टेल हिम टू बी ऑन टाइम. एंड हाय नितेश. ओके, आई थिंक आई एम डन विथ ऑल द हाय एंड वेव आउट टू प्रदीप सिंह. हेलो धनराम पटेल. I know Nitin is giving us a chance to talk, but I am wondering why is he not yet here. Hi Hetal, thanks for joining in. So I hope you all have kept your questions ready because as Nitin joins in, we have a lot to question him and we shouldn't give him a chance to talk only क्योंकि वो जब बात करता है ना कुछ मेरे बारे में बुरा ही बोलता रहता है. He has half the time his loss at the cost at me. तो वो हम नहीं कर सकते. तो I hope आपके questions ready हैं. और ये नितिन मिरानी कहाँ घूम है? लेट्स मी मैसेज हिम एंड चेक. नितिन, वेयर आर यू? What time am I up by morning? Because it's times of quarantine, there are times I'm painting till late, so I'm not a very morning person. There are times I'm sleeping in the morning after sunrise, so I'm making the most of quarantine. The best thing Tanmay, I don't have a lockdown schedule because this is actually not a time to have a schedule. We need to be still and enjoy the day. Okay, so a lot of people have joined in and Nitin, where are you? And Nitin is right here. And I have sent him the request and we are waiting in it. Hello Nitin, welcome to the live chat. As usual.
World peace. Thank you for the question, judges.
आप लेट हैं. आप कब टाइम पे आना शुरू करेंगे? पता है मुझे इतनी मुश्किल हो रही थी इनको ऑक्यूपाइड रखने के लिए.
Why are you talking like this?
Because you are late, not done.
Sorry. I'm not late. I am late by 2-3 minutes. I had sent you the request quite some time back. आप देख ही नहीं रहे थे.
आपकी रिक्वेस्ट इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम के हिसाब से आई थी, पूरे 7 मिनट लेट.
ठीक है ना, तो कोई बात नहीं ना. It's okay. चलता है. आ गया. Tanmay says we kept her busy. Thank you, Tanmay. Appreciate it. How are you doing, Baba? How's it going?
Very good. How have you been? I keep seeing your live chats. You keep entertaining us with the fun videos, be it.
कर रहे. Doing whatever it takes. I think right now we can't share anything, so at least we can share smiles. So we're trying our best to put out videos and stuff. What have you been up to? Painting away like crazy?
Yeah, I have been painting a lot, cooking, watching your videos, laughing, and thanking my stars are not around you because half the time your jokes are on me. मैं चुपचाप कुछ कर रही होती हूँ and suddenly your eyes follow me and I'm like,
Don't start because you don't want me to tell them how that was. Shall we tell them? Shall we tell them the first time I met you?
Oh yeah, we can.
We can. So guys, it's a very interesting story. I think this is the first time I met Shweta, and I think we met in Dubai in Raza's place, and we hit it off quite well. We were,
Yeah.
we were we were having fun and we were cracking jokes and stuff. So thing is, so Shweta, I mean, right now you stopped drinking, I think. So back in the day when you used to drink one, two drinks, whatever. So sorry, I got a call. So suddenly I see every 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, she disappears. So I remember her telling me, listen, I'm alone here, so please just watch out for me. So now the thing is, if you tell somebody like me, कि ख्याल रखो, तो I will actually make an effort to check if you're okay and all that. I said okay.
So I was like, चलो तुम ये फर्ज निभाओ अब checking में
हाँ,
बाद में.
I was okay with it because I was like, चलो यार, sweet person, so why not? So I was like wondering ये कहाँ चलेगी? And then suddenly I was like, you know what? I need to go find her. I hope she's okay. So I go see her, and she's in the corner at the bar. The bartender's gone. She's doing shots, and not and I don't think मैंने इतने मजे में किसी को shots करते हुए देखे हैं. Like वो अकेले खुद के shots बना रही है. So I saw her doing this. She's making a shot, drinking, and she goes, अच्छा एक और बना. And then I caught her twice doing the same thing. So I was like, dude, this is the most cutest and most hilarious thing I've seen in my life. मतलब I remember that look. You did the first shot. You're like, अच्छा एक और करना चाहिए.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, पकड़ी गई. वो बचपन में आते थे फ्रिज की कि आप मीठा खा रहे हो और oh my god पकड़े गए.
Yeah, and I remember you looking at me also, and you just like you don't know what, because you were doing the shot and you just went. You just stopped at me like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? But you still finished the shot and you kept it down. Yeah, you finished the shot, which is very good.
Shouldn't go waste.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. But you've quit drinking now for quite some time. How's that going?
I have forgotten what it is like to drink. So now I
It's
take
been quite some time, yeah.
उसमें मैं पानी डालती हूँ.
हाँ.
बस बोल के.
Water shots. I like playing that as a prank to people. It's a very fun prank, guys. Who is watching, please try this. Anybody who loves doing tequila, na? So first do a couple of shots with them in tequila. So what happens after 2-3 shots of tequila, more than your taste buds, your face knows that you're going to drink tequila. So your face is more ready to drink tequila. So I used to always fix it with, क्या कहते हैं, I would replace it with water. So nimbu, namak, सब है. So after 2 shots and all, the third shot is a water. So the guy makes an actual face. He goes, "No, I can't, bro." He goes, you remember that dialogue, sir? ये तो टट्टी है. Like, I think their expression is that, like, and they, because वो नींबू लेके पूरा वो करके बोलते हैं, ये तो पानी है. So guys, please do that for people who do shots. But tell me, so for people who are who probably find it difficult to sort of give up anything, you've been quite a person. I'm very proud of you for sort of being able to change your patterns and break your patterns in many ways. So how did you like give up drinking? Like, because you went like zero, cold turkey.
Yeah. From 4 more shots, it was like 0 shots completely. So actually, like I used to weigh 80 kgs, and from there the
Oh
journey.
yeah, you lost. And can you please, guys, please tell her not to lose any more weight?
This is not reducing even like an inch. Like अब हो गया, अब मैंने full stop डाल दिया है.
Where? Inch on your toes. हो गया बस. सारे इंच जहाँ से जाने थे वो जा चुके. Relax. हाँ.
So obviously when I lost 15 kgs, मेरे दिमाग में तो मैं size 0 पहुंच चुकी थी. And I'm like, oh my god, I've like achieved it and all, not realizing कि बहुत था, उसमें से बहुत जाना बाकी था.
Yeah.
My short film, I think when we met in Dubai, I had just lost 15 kgs and I was still thinking poor pari types, like I'm all good here. Up photo. So And remember the dance judging that we were doing while everyone was dancing?
Yeah. That kids ka show, na?
Completely. And we
It's
were
so cute.
full on.
Yeah.
So,
That was very cute. Yeah.
so I thought that I've lost, and then I did my first short film where I saw myself on the screen and I said, "Hey भगवान, ये करना है तो at least 15 kg और जाना पड़ेगा, which my diet should."
Screen pe to you look bigger.
Exactly.
Everybody does. Yeah.
चक्कर में I think you can do anything once it's in your mind that you want to do it, and तब जो छोड़ा उसके बाद तो देवदास वाला एपिसोड वापस कभी नहीं हुआ लाइफ में.
Nice. But yeah, so funny thing, जिसको सारी दुनिया भाई बोलती है वो आपको बहन बोलता है. So I want to know, it's a very interesting thing. So I've known, I met Salman a couple of times as well. The little bit that I know about Salman is he's very giving, like matlab he's very dildar.
Totally.
So how was your experience like being his Rakhi sister?
So
like what did you get for Rakhi? Like what did he give you, like a car or a flat or matlab kya? A film?
से बहुत दूर है. हम चॉकलेट्स वगैरह में बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं लाइफ में. छोटी छोटी खुशियां is what I look for. And where he's concerned, so as everyone is always shocked, oh my god, bhai ko bhai ban, like even he was shocked the first time I tied him Rakhi. So he was like,
why he didn't know what?
Huh?
He didn't know what? Suddenly zara haath dikhana, Rakhi.
No, so even he was like, are you sure you want to tie me Rakhi? Because I'm sure nobody had walked up to him and be like, oh, मुझे आप में भाई दिखता है.
Actually, yeah, you're right. I think probably all the women here, I think, guys, please write that as a poll. Hold on, let me put that comment. Hold on. So I don't know how many women would want Salman to be your brother.
I don't think any, because I got solid galis from my female friends, yeah, when I had done this, and I was in 7th standard.
You were in 7th standard?
Yeah, when I gate crashed his house to tie him Rakhi.
Okay, that's a bit weird.
I've always been a filmy chick, done stupid and filmy things from childhood.
हाँ, वो तो देखा मैंने. But 7th standard man.
तो यार एक ना तमन्ना थी कि एक बार तो राखी बांधू भाई. From the time I saw him on the screen, I was like, इसमें तो भाई ही दिखते हैं और कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. So just fulfilled my
How
wish.
nice. But so you didn't have a crush on him, 7th standard?
I think every time I saw him, I was like, if I wanted an elder brother, it would be somebody like him.
Wow. I don't think anybody will agree with you, but I think a lot of people will be jealous also that you're close to him. But what is he like? He's
like how all brothers are, no? Matlab, and everyone knows him more, yeah. Matlab, this is a thing that everyone knows. The whole universe knows him by now. So इसके बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं?
मैं क्या करूं? So I think we're gonna keep this as a fun talk also, fun chat also. But at the same time, I think I want to know that you have you've sort of been through a lot in general, and you went through a complete physical and emotional transition. Even in the last 4-5 years, you've relationship wise, you've sort of had a bit of a very, very weird journey. Good times, bad times, weird times. But I think you came out of it. How did you come out of it? Like it was because, it was always like in the news and it was always there, and I think one of the, and I can also relate in a way because sometimes being a sort of a public figure, आप अगर भूलना भी चाहते हो, people keep reminding you.
Oh yes.
So how did you come out of that?
आप ये सवाल पूछ के मुझे वापस याद दिला रहे मेरे वो 4 साल की जर्नी.
नहीं याद नहीं दिला रहा हूँ. I think a lot of people who are watching right now would be quite happy to know that one, it's possible because it looks very impossible.
Yeah.
When it happens. And
When
second is, this new you that came out. So it's nice. It's nice to know that you can, you can divert your mind, your body, your soul into something else. You cannot if you don't answer, it's okay.
So, Nitin, I always believe that, sometimes things happen. It's not out of choice, whatever.
Yeah.
Like, I had to this journey, it
Yeah.
happened. And, when something comes to you, either you go down with it or you go up with it.
Yeah.
So, I faced a bigger battle in life when I lost my father, and I have survived that. Was super, super attached to him. I don't think I could think of a day without him.
Yeah.
So happened, I said, and I tried to weigh it to that. I realized this is very small compared to that. And from there, I got the strength to just be like, okay, and like this whole journey started on my birthday. So I thought, okay, let's think it as I
So
died with
literally, new birth.
start. And then I just started living one day at a time and enjoying everything. And I made a bucket list of the things I want to do, which kept on some things I kept on doing. And
So how did painting happen? Were you always like into painting? Were you an artist, or
uh,
did Salman also make you get inspired?
no, so painting actually happened because of my father because he used to paint really well. And as
Okay.
he always, so he was super protective and he never liked the idea of me going in, ulta tha. He didn't want me to go and play because he's like, जाके खेलेगी तो लगेगा. And he didn't want me. So he would rather put me in hobby classes, or my mom would get for me world craft and the children craft books. So as a kid, I would always enjoy painting more, and I always loved the idea of gifting somebody something handmade. So that's how it started, and it later on just picked up. And I enjoy painting. I think painting is a form of expressing, which I really enjoy. Like how
Yeah.
you enjoy being on the so I just love painting, and that's how it is.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I think my wife is also a very big fan of what all you do.
Okay.
You made these amazing pouches for us for Ganpati, and everybody loved them. And me being a Sindhi, आता है कि मैं 2-3 भेज देता हूँ. But she said nahi. I think your audio went away.
Oh, really?
सच्ची में चला गया. I'm not joking.
Can you hear me now?
हाँ, I can hear you now.
पैसे क्या हैं पैसे?
अब फिर से गया.
अच्छा,
कौन से पैसे? कौन से पैसे भाई? अभी सुना नहीं, मोदी जी ने अनाउंस किया, वहीं से मिल जाएंगे.
मिल गए.
केयर पैकेज.
अच्छा, so you tell me how did
Awesome.
it all start?
But I'm not joking. Honestly, I think your audio is going on and off. I'm not joking. सच्ची में. So I think we'll have to either you go on data or you go on Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi is slow, then go on data. Either way.
Can you hear me now?
You know the
Can you?
Shall we do the whole interview in Damsharaj? Okay. How are you? She. I'm a straight man. And this is actually one of my jokes where, us desis, and this happens to me so many times. When people want to ask me, like, this uncle wanted to ask me that, bro, like, are you watching the show or are you performing on stage? And दूर से uncle इशारे करे, बेटा, are you? So unfortunately, he did the exact bloody same thing. So forget, Damshara is very dangerous with you.
Happened because of you, because I've seen this joke on one of your things and it was registered. So immediately stand up का वो ऐसे हो गया.
हाँ, सब ऐसे करते हैं. Bro, very good, huh? Very good. अच्छी यार क्या है? ऐसे नाम खराब हो रहा है. Passion Theory says hello, hi Passion Theory, how are you doing? So I started off. Forget me. Let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. Tell us a very funny, embarrassing moment that you had. Like, I think one of your most embarrassing moments.
I've had too many.
That though I know. But give us one that you were like, maybe we'll tell these guys for the first time. They don't know about it.
One moment. तो अब मैं कहाँ से बताऊँ कौन सा वाला?
एक embarrassing where you go like shit. ये अगर पता चल गया तो it was damn embarrassing.
So during like when I was doing my play, that's my goal. There was this person. Let me not name him because he's a known person.
You can name.
Okay. So there is this person. ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे मैं wait कर रही थी ना कि you can name and I So okay, there was this person. He's an actor. Was an actor, and Karan Sharma.
नाम ले लिया.
He done his launch movie with Neelam, and there was this song "तू रूठा तो मैं रो दूंगी सनम," which as a kid I would love.
तू रूठा तो मैं रो दूंगी सनम. I know that song. Yeah, I know that song.
I would love to see him on screen, and I would keep playing that VHS tape, see him wear a pink bathrobe and dance. And then I never saw him again. Now for me, as a kid, it was like, यार इतना good looking है, इतना अच्छा dance करता है, कितने प्यार से नीलम को मनाता है, तो अब ये नहीं दिख रहे हैं तो मर गए होंगे.
हाँ.
I assume he's dead. And I didn't know his name or anything. And I think for years, like years, every time I played that song, I prayed for his soul. कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे. And then one day, we are at Opera House performing That's My Girl. And the show is I wasn't very happy with the way the show went. But I mean, the show went well, but it wasn't up to the mark that I would usually. You know how when you do a show, you come to know whether you could do better.
Yeah, you know sometimes. Yeah.
Some friends have come to meet and they want to see. And I'm just like, okay. And I'm standing at the side wing. And suddenly I see and he had a black t-shirt and black jeans. So he was camouflaged with the side wing. So I could only see a face. And it was him. And I'm like, shit!
भूत की मुंडी घूम रही सिर्फ.
फिर मुझे लगा कि उनकी आत्मा नीचे आई है मुझसे बात करने.
That is hilarious.
And I can't understand the word. All I could see was lips moving because I'm trying to communicate to that spirit in my mind कि अभी टाइम नहीं है बात करने का. And then he spoke. I'm like, oh my God, he's alive. And I got so scared that I ran out. And Bharat sir and all ran after me. That what happened?
That's hilarious, man. I thought you would Meruta to me.
So for almost 15-20 years, I prayed every day for his soul. Every time that song played.
Bichara.
Really
It is so sad, Karan. Guys, अगर Karan कहीं भी दिखे, please apologize to him from her.
No, I did do the apologies myself, and it took him he was pretty shocked. He called me the next day also. He's like, "You really thought I was dead?" I'm like, "Yeah, for almost 20 years."
That is hilarious. I think Rohira, I just want to say, I think you should start drinking again.
So
it will really help you.
क्या हाल है?
This is crazy, man. And the worst thing is this black t-shirt. तो सिर्फ मुंडी ऐसे float हो रहा है.
और मैं ना मेरे mind से मैंने कभी कोई spirit से communicate नहीं किया तो all I'm trying to do is like while his wife is talking, I she was his wife, so while she's talking I can't understand and I'm just looking at him. I'm like, this is not the time to talk. This is not the time to talk.
That's so funny. That is very embarrassing. So I don't think we have spoken for some time. So I am alive. I'm just letting you know.
You come online, na? So I know you're alive. But
what if मेरा भूत है वो जो?
No, but sometimes I feel, you know, when I'm talking and if somebody can't hear me, I pinch myself. I'm like, ऐसा तो नहीं मैं मर गई कि किसी को सुनाई नहीं.
Right now, that's happening a lot. I'm just letting you know. It's called bad Wi-Fi connection. Stop pinching yourself. मालूम पड़ा. You look at Shweta's hand and they're all marks. कि what is this, Shweta? ये इतने marks क्यों है? Bad Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
But seriously, I think you should change your network. Are you on data or Wi-Fi now?
I'm on 7-star Wi-Fi.
Okay, don't show off. It's bullshit. Your Wi-Fi is bad. Don't say 7-star.
Bad.
Okay, guys, for for uh for God's sake, for the soul of the dead people, can you please tell her that you cannot hear her clearly because she's not believing me.
Can you hear me now?
कैमरा हिलाने से Now can you hear me now? Now can you hear me now?
No, maybe the speaker is नीचे तो वो मैंने रखा था.
हाँ मेरे स्पीकर तो मेरे सर पे है, मेरे ऊपर पड़े स्पीकर.
Hi Khushbu.
Hi Khushbu, how are you doing? So but see, Varsha is right. See, she's saying. So do you have a pair of headphones you can try to put on?
Yeah, I forgot to charge them.
You forgot to charge your headphones.
Yeah.
1 second, let me pinch myself. Since you can't hear me.
I put it on charging, but I forgot to switch on the switch.
Slow clap.
See, this always happens with you. गलती तुम्हारे में ही है. Hi Shamar bhai. Hi Madhu Sharma. Thank you for coming and joining us live and saving me from this monster.
Oh, hey, देखो यार. Unnecessary. Says the girl who puts in a charge and forgets to put the charger on.
Listen, this happens with everyone.
हाँ नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ.
कभी हुआ है?
मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. I forget to charge my portable charger.
That's why I don't have one.
हाँ, and I was like, यार, then I take my portable charger, जब बैटरी खत्म हो, I'm like, ये चार्ज क्यों नहीं हुआ है? अब मैं इस मरे हुए बेजान से मैं क्या चार्ज करूँ?
पता है मुझे क्या फीलिंग आ रही है अभी. वो पुराने जमाने में ISD कॉल पे जब बात करते थे तो चिल्ला चिल्ला के बात करनी पड़ती थी ताकि वहां तक आवाज आए. हेलो नितिन, मेरी आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं? हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी? जल्दी बोल, मीटर चल रहा है.
But you know, that's the funniest thing is back in the day, they used to waste so much time just saying hello. Do you remember? So, I had this one uncle. Hello, hello, hello. I fucking आगे बढ़ो यार. What is hello.
I was such a chindi. The moment I used to see ना hello, जो हो गया वहां पे अगर मेरे पॉकेट मनी जितना मीटर हो जाता था ना, like bye. बीच का conversation भूल जाओ.
The worst thing is when people take calls and this happens to all of us. Like hello, आवाज आ रही है? तो बोलते हैं नहीं. मतलब कुत्ते के बच्चे. तो जवाब कैसे दे रहे अगर आवाज नहीं आ रही है तो? Then you say something like I'll call you back. They're like okay. ऐसे लोगों से दोस्ती तोड़ देनी चाहिए. हाँ, okay. So I'm gonna have some quick fun with you. Let's play Never Ever Ever.
Never have I ever.
Yeah, Never Ever. वही वाला.
Never have I ever.
Okay. So कोई ड्रिंक तो है नहीं, but let's drink water to it. कहाँ गया? अरे मेरा पानी का बॉटल गुम हो गया. हाँ ये.
ठीक है, तो मैं जब क्या करना है, जब मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगी यू विल ड्रिंक वाटर.
नहीं, मैंने ये गेम सोचा नहीं था अच्छे से. फिर से करते हैं. So you have to drink water every time you have.
No.
Okay.
I can't hold the phone and drink water also. बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
You're holding the phone.
Yeah. Because then you can hear me.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो
You drink water every time. On my behalf, you drink the water.
हाँ, मतलब by the
और
end
मेरी
of it,
लिपस्टिक भी खराब हो जाएगी ना.
I'll be bloody hydrated for no reason.
अरे but see, I put red lipstick which cannot get spoiled while we are live. So you know.
Because आज बाहर जाना ना इवेंट के लिए.
आज हम ये लाइव को IG स्टोरी पे डालेंगे. तो can't afford to. तुम खुद हैट वैट पहन के फुल रेडी हो गया.
हाँ, मैं तो रेडी होता हूँ.
तो फिर तो अगर
I tell people please start dressing up, feeling good, doing good things for yourself. Don't let it affect you. किससे बात कर रहे हो? मम्मी से. कौन है?
अनदेखा अनजाना सा कोई.
Please, after that ghost story, this अनदेखा अनजाना is a ghost only.
No, I can hear her. She's alive.
Oh, very good. Chalo. Guys, so I just want you to know that next time you meet Shweta, just talk. तो उसकी फट जाएगी. Because she's like मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है ये भूत है.
Hi, Amin.
चलो.
Who are you talking to?
My wife.
Hi, Aarti.
हाँ. It's got a pull on my shoulder. हाँ. चलो. Let's ask you the first question. ठीक है. Never have I ever spied on my neighbors.
I have. I used to even do cross connection with my cordless phone to hear what they are talking.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So every time my Rakhi brother used to stay in the neighboring house and he was dating my bhabhi now. So what I used to do जब cordless आया था ना तो उसका एक particular frequency पे घर पे एक जगह पे ना वो cross connection हो जाता था. So I would go to his house because I knew before he goes for work and before she would go to a call center, she would call. मैं वहाँ पे chill कर रही होती थी जब तक वो call आए. And जैसे call आता था मैं okay, you enjoy your chatting, I'm going. And I would go stand at that spot and try to do that cross connection. तो 2-3 बार तो मैंने सुना and then I'm like, oh, you know, I think you were saying this to Rinku. And then he caught hold of मेरा cordless ले लिया गया था.
But then, did you find anything exciting? कोई gossip?
बहुत gossip.
Very nice.
जिसके बदले में बहुत chocolates भी मिली.
हाँ, देखो चॉकलेट ही चाहिए बस, चॉकलेट ही लेते रहे. ठीक है. Never have I ever, ये थोड़े से dangerous वाले आ गए यार. मैं I'm trying to read them online. Never have I ever stolen something. मुझे इसका आंसर पता है. सोच मत प्लीज. इस शक्ल पे लिखा हुआ है.
क्या?
चॉकलेट तो चोरी किए होंगे पक्का.
नहीं, मैं पूछ के ले लेती हूँ.
कैसे? You ask somebody when they're not there.
Can I take?
चॉकलेट से पूछते मैं तुम्हें ले लूं? हाँ के चल. Good. Never. अच्छा, okay. Other than chocolate, what's that one thing that you've stolen that you're not proud of?
That I'm not proud of. My brother's Wi-Fi dongle.
चोरी कर दिया, घर के अंदर ही चोरी. And then, did he know or?
Yeah, he knew there's only one person. So I used to even steal his chargers क्योंकि मैं मेरा चार्जर घुमा के आ जाती थी.
चार्जर तो ठीक है, चार्जर तो.
So after a point, he and dad started writing the initials on the charger. So obviously we all are S.
Such a desi thing to do.
Yeah, so they would write S. Up S for Siddharth or S for Shweta, same here. So I would again steal it कि S ही तो है.
I have done this in school. I remember. मैंने किसी का वो इरेजर चोरी किया था, तो उस पे उसका इनिशियल लिखा हुआ था, और जब उसने मुझे पकड़ा ना, बोले मैंने इसमें लिखा, मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया उसका लिखा हुआ इनिशियल, तो उसने पकड़ा, तो बोला, मैंने बोला ये मैंने ही लिखा है, बिकॉज तू मेरा इतना अच्छा दोस्त है, मैंने अपने इरेजर पे तेरा इनिशियल लिखा है. We fought about it. अच्छा, never have I ever stalked an ex-boyfriend on social media.
No, never, ever.
इतना देखो, जब भी कोई never ever बोलता है ना, मतलब झूठ है.
सच्ची?
You have never stalked. सोच के बोल.
सोच के.
Why? How come you? See, that's very normal.
How come मतलब?
Does it.
Because I was in my own world ना, like I told you, I live in my own world, in my own illusion. तो मेरा तो जब breakup हो गया, मेरे लिए वो बंदा ही मर जाता है. तो stalk क्या करूँ?
Guys, please don't mess with Shweta Rohira, because if you mess with her, वो तुम्हें मार देगी and she'll pray for your soul. That's it. चल, never have I ever lied to a friend. श्वेता, मैं ये लाइव कैंसिल कर दूँ.
See, you're lying that you will cancel your life.
So everybody lie. Shweta, don't be this Mother Teresa. देखो क्या, you want क्या? देखो Nobel Prize चाहिए.
What chocolate you'll give me?
ये देख नीचे से. See, now the entire comment section is blown up. He's saying don't lie. Ajit is saying
कुछ lies तो अच्छे होते हैं ना, तो it's not a lie.
So you have to say. So which means you have.
Yeah, big time.
So tell us one lie that you got caught. ये अच्छा वाला है. The laughter is good. मतलब कोई अच्छा वाला नहीं. इतनी हंसी मतलब बहुत हैवी होने वाला है. इतनी खुशी.
Let this lie be.
बोलना, मजा आएगा, बोलना.
जाने दे ना, मैं तेरे को बाद में बताती हूँ, कॉल करके बताती हूँ.
अरे but your fans want to know.
I know the nation wants to know.
हाँ, but you better not. ठीक है, चल. Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Hey, I did, but the difference was I gave the answers, okay? And I was so proud कि मैं answers दे दी थी. Cheating तो cheating है. So in that excitement, I went on telling everyone, you know, I cheated. And before I could tell my mom कि मैंने answers बताया, मैंने answers देने पट करके स्कूल में ही थप्पड़ पड़ गई थी सबके सामने.
That is
अरे
scary.
but सुनो तो, मैंने answers बताए, लिए नहीं है.
I remember when I flunked, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता था कि when you flunk, so they give you a retest, ठीक है? तो retest के लिए जब पहली बार ही flunk हो गया तो retest में क्या उखाड़ लूंगा मैं अपने आप को जानता हूँ. तो I said कि यार मैं एक काम करता हूँ, I will go before the retest and see क्या हो रहा है. तो I went to the class जहाँ पे retest होना था and I realized कि the seats were very close. मतलब एकदम बोलते ना कि मतलब ऐसे करूंगा तो हाथ लग जाएगा बाजू वाले को. एक भाई ने सीटिंग ऐसे रखी है, मतलब फुल कॉपी करूंगा. ये रीटेस्ट को मैं पास करके रहूंगा, ठीक है? तो आई डिड
fuck somebody.
ये फक क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Is this our joke that person's writing or?
I don't know what was it. Suddenly it came and it clicked me off our joke. Fuck.
हाँ. तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी आराम से कॉपी करूंगा ये वो करके. तो मैंने बिल्कुल मतलब थोड़ी बहुत पढ़ाई की एंड आई चल इतना क्लोज से तो मैं आराम से कॉपी कर सकता हूँ. तो आई सिट इन द एग्जाम एंड यू नो व्हाट दिस एसोल्स माय स्कूल पीपल डिड, दे केप्ट ऑल डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. मैं अकाउंट्स में फेल हुआ हूँ, मेरे बाजू वाला इंग्लिश में फेल हुआ है, वो साइंस में फेल हुआ है एंड मैं आजू बाजू देख रहा हूँ मैं कॉपी किससे करूँ. So you won't believe I copied from the guy next to me who was giving an Arabic exam.
You copied Arabic
And-
exam ka in accounts?
And I'm telling you, I got 1 mark. 1 mark because sorry, I won't take his name, but उस कुत्ते के बच्चे ने पता है क्या किया? He was writing, so I was thinking कि he knows the answers very well, whatever. And I was like, कुछ तो लिखो नहीं तो टीचर मारेगी. You know what that asshole did? वो भी मेरी तरह ही था. He copied the entire question paper as it is. तो मेरे आंसर्स में अरबिक के क्वेश्चन थे एंड हम लोग की फट रही, हम लोग ये इतना कैसे लिख रहा है. So yeah, we both got 1 mark. So let's go back to this guy, Simal 0x plus. So Simal, अपनी Simal क्रॉस मत करो and please don't. But anyway, we were laughing because we had this joke. I think Shweta came up with this joke as to how, and I think Russell Peter does this joke also, as to how Indian people they use noises, you know, to describe things. You know, कि like मैं गया और मैंने उसको fuck, उसका चमार मारा fuck, और वो वहां जाके धौर से गिर गया. एंड वहां से उसने फिर ऐसा फेंका, ऐसे फक करके आया मेरे को सर पे लगा. So we were discussing Mahabharat and the barn and everything, and then Shweta came up with the noise.
Yeah,
Saying
that when the
that-
Sudarshan Chakra goes, it goes like, now I will fuck you. And the Sudarshan Chakra goes, fuck.
Great, thank you. You put Mahabharat में गालियाँ.
No, it is like my theory.
Please relax, huh? Either somebody will start complaining saying you're talking shit about religions. But
No. I love Krishna.
Yeah, I can see you love Krishna. Guys, okay, chalo. Next one.
कहाँ?
Never have I ever grabbed the wrong person's hand.
I have.
It is the most fucking embarrassing thing in the world.
So I went and I sat in the wrong car. Okay, so I had, and then I said, I'm like, chalo. And the guy's looking at me. I'm like, and then I got these cramp. He's like, but madam, बैठी तो आप ही थी.
I've done that. I have literally taken a girl out of the club who is not my girlfriend.
Did
मैं
she
बेचारी को
slap
बाहर
you?
भेजा. नहीं, the funny thing is,
She came along.
नहीं, she came along. She's like, I don't know what was happening. So apparently, I'll tell you what happened was. So then because the minute तो हम notice नहीं करते ना. तो I track and मैं चला and मैंने सीधा लगे वैले में गाड़ी दी थी दुबई में. वैले काट दिया and you don't talk. You're looking for the car and suddenly I look back and I say hi and she goes hi and I'm like, can I help? I'm like, can I help you? She's like, no, you brought me outside. I'm like, fuck, that was you. So I was like, why are you standing here for so long? मैं गाड़ी लेके wait कर रहा हूँ. And I was like, so why didn't you stop me? She's like, because I'm under 18. I got scared that security is taking me out of the club.
Okay, so Rajesh is saying that we both should do stand-up comedy. I think that's a great idea, Rajesh. Nitin,
Rajesh,
please, I
such
want
a
to do
great idea.
stand-up comedy with
You will.
you.
He will.
I'll keep laughing. I'll keep laughing. You keep saying the jokes.
No, that's not called stand-up comedy. That's called buying a ticket.
Which I usually always do. Okay, in your shows, I'm a religious ticket holder.
No, when have you bought a ticket? Have I ever let you buy a ticket for my show? Never.
If I surprised you, remember
No.
last time I surprised you?
That's correct. That,
And then you said,
that's
"अरे
because-
मेरे को क्यों नहीं बोला?" But if I would tell you, तो surprise कैसे रहता ना?
Correct, but you're always on the guest list, so don't worry. Okay, one more. Never have I ever logged on and posted on Facebook while being drunk.
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever logged on to Facebook and posted something when I was drunk.
I have done a lot of posting.
Yeah? When you're drunk.
Yeah.
Like what?
Shots.
Shots. Chal, so you speak fluent Gujarati, na?
No, Re. Sindhi.
So you speak fluent Sindhi.
Kind
What
of.
other language do you speak? Sindhi.
I'm learning Marathi little, tuta futa, and now I'm learning Spanish.
Oh, you learn Spanish.
I'm learning.
So tuta puta की मतलब जो habla español.
No, properly. जैसे तू hombre.
जैसे क्या?
जैसे तू hombre. You're a man.
जैसे तू hombre.
तू hombre.
ओम्बड़ो शाम रंग ओम्बड़ो. कुछ भी बोल रही है, किसी को पता ही नहीं है. Shut up, nonsense.
You shut up.
Okay, so you shut up in your face. Achha,
You shut up.
So you speak Sindhi fluently, na?
Yeah, I think so. At least I think I speak fluently.
घर पे you speak Sindhi?
I speak only to my dada dadi in Sindhi, and they never correct me. They always think I'm right.
Okay, chalo. So we'll do one quick thing with you, and then we will end this fun chat because बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I'll give you some Hindi dialogues, and you have to say them in Sindhi.
Hi Allah.
That's not the
This
dialogue.
time here ki am Hindo.
That's nice.
See, we have somebody who speaks Spanish too. Hablos español. Sí.
Yes, ये कहेगा. Vivek, ¿cómo estás? Yo hablo español un poquito.
Aloha.
क्या? Hello?
Okay, so there is a Sindhi on our chat, Rajesh Mansukhani. He's saying he will judge. Listen, I'll send you chocolates. Can you say I'm right in everything?
Hi Rajesh. Rajesh, so Rajesh basically jumped into the pool and he was drying himself and he was still sad. Why?
Because the pool didn't have water.
No, क्योंकि उसका मन सूखा नहीं. Sorry Rajesh. इतना घटिया जोक था. चल. Sahil Memon says, joinery me please.
Joinery where?
What is joinery? Chalo, I'll join the read. Okay, so guys, give us Hindi film dialogues that Shweta will say it in Sindhi. A Bollywood dialogue.
Bollywood, na?
हाँ बॉलीवुड ना. अरुण 307 भाई प्लीज अपनी शक्ल देख. हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ ब्रो, दिख रही है यहाँ पे. इट्स अ लाइव. So guys, please give us quickly Bollywood dialogues. I'll kick it off. Chal. The first dialogue is sorry, हमने बहुत कोशिश की पर हम पेशेंट को बचा नहीं सके.
साईं मूंखे माफ़ कजो, मां पेशेंट के
हमने बहुत कोशिश की पर हम पेशेंट को बचा नहीं
मां
सके.
ॾाढो ट्राई किया कयो मां ॾाढो ट्राई कयो पर मां बचाई न सकी.
हाँ मतलब गुजराती और नथी सकी. What the hell is नथी सकी?
Means I couldn't. I tried.
It's not I couldn't. ठीक है.
I tried.
Bro, I'm telling you, मेरा एक dream है. I want to make a spoof movie on all these characters. You know, because they always used to be. Remember this doctor used to come out in all those movies. जब suddenly लड़की गिर जाती है, and then the straight to the cut to shot is Operation Theatre.
Red light. And the light off.
And then he comes out and he says, "Sorry, हमने बहुत कोशिश की. बस अब इसे दवा की नहीं, दुआ की जरूरत
है. गुजराती हिंदी में मुझे दुआ की जरूरत है.
I want to do a spoof where I come out and I say, "Sorry, हमने बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन माँ और बच्चा दोनों सेफ है, लेकिन वॉचमैन मर गया." And I just walk off. Just randomly kill someone else. Arun says, "Please stop being Ranbir." क्यों यार? I like Ranbir.
He's also Sindhi. Ranbir, no?
Hi guys, this is Ranbir here. How are you doing? It's very good to be here. Arun, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care and stop typing bad things. Otherwise, you will get a fuck. फिर हम लोग रॉक कर देंगे.
But you're looking like Ranbir, not like Ranbir.
ठीक है यार, I've been looking like this for the longest time. चलो, guys, you've got a dialogue which is डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. In Sindhi.
डॉन के पकड़ना
डॉन के पकड़ने नहीं है.
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही ना.
So I'll say it like one of those Sindhi uncles and aunties who are fed up. अरे मां छा चया तोखे, ही भेण जो डान चढ़ियो, हिते तो वने हुते तो वने, पुलिस ढूंढे पे हुनखे. मां त हुन भेण हाथ में कोन थो अचे. भेणा मुश्किल ही नहीं है, नामुमकिन है. चढ़िया काड़ो मुंह थींदो डान, पिणे जो डान तो बनी वनी करे टंकी में पानी विझ, डान पिणे जो डान.
हाणे मूंखे सिंधी सिखनी पवंदी.
Nice. So Arun,
Rajesh, I was giving you chocolates. He can't win.
Arun, I just want to say, if you're on this live, Arun 307, it's not nice to use language, man. Why are you saying fuck off? You fuck off. It's our live. But if you don't stop, I'm going to report you. Thanks, Arun. Bye. Idiots.
You're going to teach me, Rajesh.
Rajesh will teach you.
Yeah, Rajesh, you have to teach me.
शरीर गीला है पर मन सूखा नहीं. That sounded so bad.
He's shy.
Chal. Okay. Who else do we have? Chalo, guys, give me quick dialogue so then we'll wrap up with this. Chal, you can also give. I'll also try.
I'll give you. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है सेनोरिटा।
अला सेनोरिटा, कितने बुद्ध बुद्धि भाई, हेलो 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 सेनोरिटा।
बुदाती अगते चो।
हाँ, वडे वडे शहरों में ई नंढी नंढी बातें थींदी है, छड़ी सदोरो है छड़ी
सदोरो तो कौन है?
के सदोरो। अरुण सेस पहले तूने स्टार्ट किया। यार ये कौन है यार, पागल एनीवेज।
ओके,
हाँ
शोले
हाँ,
कितने आदमी थे?
चल स्टार्ट। केतरा मारू हुवन था।
ओके, एक ही प्याली में पियेंगे, इससे प्यार बढ़ता है।
वो दैट्स अ सिंधी थिंग ओनली।
वरना से इट इन सिंधी।
यू सेड एक ही प्याली में पिएंगे चाय, एक ही प्याली में पिएंगे, इससे प्यार बढ़ता है।
यू से आई एम गिविंग यू हिंदी डायलॉग।
चाय चाय असी चाय हिकड़े हिकड़े असी असी चाय हिकड़े कोप असी चाय हिकड़े कोप में। दिस इज राइट अप यार।
I win. Rajesh, say I win. You have to say it, otherwise I won't go live.
You this one. Okay. So you say this one. बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना।
बसंती एक कुत्ते जे सामने न नचजे।
नचजे इतनी की रिस्पेक्ट कुत्तों को दी है कि बसंती को?
ऐसे दोनों दोस्त एक कप में चाय पियेंगे। S1, yes, S1. S is the winner.
Yeah, S वो तू नहीं, तेरा भाई है।
मैं हूँ, मैं S for श्वेता।
Don't make a ass of yourself. Okay.
This is S. I am the ace.
तूने मेरा नया वीडियो देखा कि नहीं, मॉम वाला? बता भी तेरा।
मेरे को रटा हुआ है डायलॉग, ठीक है?
चल बता। कौन
सा वाला बताऊं? बता कौन सा वाला डायलॉग?
मैंने अभी रिसेंटली वीडियो डाला है, मैंने बता।
वही ना कि 31st के लिए अगर जाना है तो मैं आज बता दूंगी कि 31st को मुझे जाना है, बट पता नहीं क्या मॉम को हो जाएगा। जैसे मैं निकल रहा हूँ तो मॉम बोलेगी कि बेटा मुझे छोड़ दो। अरे बट मॉम, वो तो मेरे रास्ते में ही नहीं है। नो, बट मॉम्स हैव दिस थिंग, दे ऑलवेज हैव अ टैग टू गेट इट रास्ते में। और अगर तुमने मना कर दिया तो बेटा तुम रेडी हो जाओ, क्योंकि अब वो बाहर निकलेगा। करेक्ट कि नहीं? बोल।
तूने मेरे जोक की ऐसी मारी है ना, इतना घटिया तर्जुमा आपने मेरे जोक का किया है।
बट आई रिमेम्बर, आई हैव सीन इट सो मेनी टाइम्स।
सारे टैग्स ही हटा दिए, सारे जोक्स हटा दिए बीच में से।
तो आई कांट टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम यू ना, इट्स योर जोक।
चलो, नाइस, गुड। अरे यार,
बट आई रिमेम्बर, आई हैव वॉच्ड इट, आई टोल्ड यू द हाइलाइट्स।
Nice. So Punit says, bro, one dialogue by Mr. Manmani. So you know I have this character, na? I play Mr. Manmani, this Hindi character.
So one dialogue from the Sindhi character.
One dialogue, shit, यार. Actually मैं वो मेरा पड़ा है सामान वहाँ पे. But I think we will go off in like 4 minutes. Should we bring Manmani on quickly? You can ask questions. Chal, you got 3 minutes.
Are where you going? How I'll ask you questions.
Wait, Manmani is coming.
Rajesh and Vivek, I'm going to do the show with you all. Better don't forget me, okay? Uncle Manmani, कितने आए हो? 10 मिनट ही आए। अंकल किया आए हो तमाम?
हाँ, माँ तो ठीक है पुत्र। How are you? How is everything?
माँ भी ठीक है। नितिन मिलियो तमाके?
हाँ?
नितिन मिलियो तमाके?
Yeah, he's a very good boy. Guys, everybody on this live, please go and watch his YouTube channel. Okay, it is free. You don't have to pay. Go and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, I will Normally we are known for bribing, but in this case you are subscribing. So tell me, you want to ask me some question, Shweta Putter?
पुनीत तव्हांखे छा पुछणो आहे अंकल मनमानी के हाणे?
No, but you can ask me little bit questions because we have just got 2 minutes to go. Just like my sex life.
अंकल तव्हां क्वारंटाइन में छा था कयो? What are you doing while quarantine?
You know, basically there's not much to do, but I am been coloring my hair grey, white, and I'm really enjoying myself. I'm watching YouTube videos.
नितिन
and I'm learning.
मिरानी जो वीडियो ॾिसो था तव्हां?
I love his videos. He's very nice. Hello Rajesh, how are you? Mansukani. पहले का पैसा वापस नहीं किया अभी तक. Please call me. Return the thing. And DJ is also here. DJ Clement. Hello Clement, how are you doing? Good to see you. Clement, I'm also wearing Notorious B.I.G.
शो ऑफ.
इसमें शो ऑफ क्या है? नहीं तो क्या गंजी में बैठेगा क्या? शो ऑफ क्या कर रहा है? नॉनसेंस बात कर रहा है तुम भी. चलो अभी खत्म होने वाला है लाइव. एनी एडवाइस यू वांट मी टू गिव एवरीबॉडी?
जी अंकल, हमारे व्यूअर्स को कुछ बताइए कि पैसे कैसे बचा सकते हैं क्वारंटाइन के टाइम पे.
देखो, जब पैसे बचाने हैं मुझे दे दो और भूल जा.
की ना सिंधी वाली बात.
तो मैं क्या गुजराती वाली बात करूंगा? जब सिंधी हो तो सिंधी की बात करूंगा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो इनटू स्पेनिश एंड से ओला गिव मी कोला. माता रानी का चोला. आई विल नॉट से दैट.
मां स्पेन थी वना एनआरआई थी थे.
चलो, in case it gets disconnected, don't feel shy, don't feel bad. I love you.
I love you too, uncle.
Don't. Let's not spoil what we have, beta. I'm married.
Okay, so uncle.
It was very nice talking to you. I don't know about you, but I was great.
I was extremely great. S is always great.
Vivek is saying bueno noches. देखो बेटा, जब कोई तुम्हें नोच रहा है तो उसे दोस्ती तोड़ दो.
Adios.
हैं?
Adios.
आदिवासी.
जंगल राशि.
Very good. What is jungle rashi?
It comes from Adivasi.
Aki is saying your hair color is looking very beautiful, just like you. Thank you. I don't know if she is talking about you or me.
Anima Vanati, time up.
But I just want to say thank you very much. This color is not from my mother's side or father's side. This is from Perot's side. Very good joke by my famous Javed Jafri. He did this joke. I love him too much.
Don't spoil what is between you and him. You're married. Okay, bye.
अभी विवेक is saying मुझो गुस्तो. अब गुस्ता है तो फिर मत घुसने दो ना. क्या करता है तू? चढ़िया. इधर घुसेगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. देखते हैं अभी चलने दो जब तक ऑफ हो जाए.
बट ऑफ हो गया तो सेव नहीं होगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सेव नहीं होगा. अल्लाह माँ बना तो बाय बाय. वो पैसे ट्रांसफर कर देना. बाय.
हाँ, आप कर देना टाइम से मेरे अकाउंट में.
नहीं हम तो सिंधी. हमने गाली भी नहीं देता भी नहीं. हम लेता है.
मैं भी सिंधी सिर्फ लेती हूँ. नो चिंदीगिरी.
That is very wrong. Let's not spoil our friendship. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
कैसे बंद करते हैं? हेलो.